Lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making boli, roasted plantain, aka street food. So first I peeled my plantain using a craft knife. I just slitted one part of the plantain, then open up with my hand. I repeated same process with, you can actually use any knife of your choice. I just felt like a craft knife would do better. So I repeated same process with the rest of the plantain. So next is our mackerel fish. Yes, we are using mackerel fish for this boli. Yes guys, so I added my ginger and garlic paste that I made myself. Then I added some seasoning. I was very careful with the amount of seasoning I am adding to this fish because it's naturally sweet, so I have to be very careful not to over salt it. So I just added little, as you can see, of this. So guys, after this process I just massage a bit and I kept aside to marinate for a while. To my new subscribers, thank you very much for joining this beautiful family, and if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos once I upload. So guys, this process enables your plantain to cook faster, so I repeated same method with the rest of the plantain. Now I don't know why this is done by my mom. Anytime she's making plantain, she rubs oil on it before sending it to the oven. So I asked her why is it done that way. She said she doesn't know, maybe it's just to make it look fine and all that, but I think okay, it's to make it have this even brown color. Well, I just had to follow her footstep, and this is me adding salt to the oil, and I rubbed with cooking brush. This brush I use it for my samosa, so I just use it for this process as well. So guys, after rubbing the oil, I added my mackerel fish and sent it to the oven. So guys, it's time for us to make our sauce. Tell me, what is boli without that pepper sauce? So these are basically what we are using for our pepper sauce. I'm just going to clean this and chop this into blendable sizes. And here we are. So I'm just going to blend this roughly. Guys, this is one of my favorite street food. If you know me well, you know I love boli. So doing this myself gives me so much joy. Now I chopped my onion. Guys, we are not wasting this oil. So I just added my red oil to this. Now, who remembered that delicious chicken and beef stew I made? Guys, if you've not watched that video, please go and watch it. So I added the oil I got from that stew to this. I added about 3 tablespoons. So guys, we are not bleaching the oil, nah. So I just added my oil, then my chopped onion. You can chop to your desired size. I think I prefer to see my onion in my boli sauce. I don't know if this is just me, but I think this makes it boli. Yes, boli sauce. So I allowed my onion to saute for a while. So now I added my seasoning and my pepper mix. That's shombo, tatashe, and scotch bonnet pepper and some tomatoes. Guys, just frying this onion alone, and the aroma coming from my kitchen was just calling. So lastly guys, I added my ginger and garlic paste and some salt to taste. Guys, we don't need much for this. So I just mix and cover to cook for like 10 minutes. So while doing this, make sure you are checking for your boli and fish. Just keep turning and turning until it's ready. So guys, at this point our sauce is ready and our boli is ready. Guys, I couldn't get enough of this. I can you imagine? I finished this boli of fish. Forgive me. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. This was so yummy, guys. I enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.